Come in, ma. What's your name?
Abhiniti.
Yeah. Her name is Abhiniti. She is a new student to our class. Please welcome her, children.
Hi, Abhiniti.
Please go and take your place. Children, are you all ready to give a speech on global warming?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready. Ma'am, I'm really excited to present it in front of the audience. Ma'am, I need your help to arrange the matter precisely. Wow, so confidently they are expressing.
Okay, children. Today we learnt about pollution. Bye, children. I will see you in the next class. Bye.
Wow! It's a Friday class now!
Tribe's innovative curricula for linguistic intelligence themed around multiple intelligence theory and multisensory activities. We transform schools, students and educators by employing learning techniques and enabling them to make the shift from rote learning to multisensory learning.
Children, frame questions using did.
Eat chapati? Yes, I eat chapati.
No, that's wrong. Look. Now, always remember, while framing a question with did, use only the first form of the verb. But while replying, you can use the second form also.
Registering grammatical structures in the young mind permanently.
Come on children, let's enact and learn how to frame question using did.
Did you pull my bag? I'm sorry, I did not pull your bag. Did you pull my bag? I'm afraid I didn't pull your bag. Then who pulled my bag? Either pulled your bag. Did you pull my bag? Yes, I pulled your bag. That's bad. I'm sorry.
Well done kids, please clap for them.
At Triway, we don't do rote learning. We don't do read and repeat. Rather, students do and learn.
Children, who is ready to enact and frame different questions?
Triway prepares its students through its multisensory and role-play based learning to excel at the real world, not via pressure, but through nurturing their innate drive and curiosity.
What's happening there? Our enabler is giving practice for tomorrow's assembly activity.
Come on children, let's get prepared for tomorrow's assembly.
Let us rehearse for the world of description. Dear friends, welcome to the world of description.
Sainthan, say it with full energy and enthusiasm.
Dear friends, welcome to the King Campus, the world of description. Here, all class 4. Ranjit is eating banana. Ranjit is eating banana slowly. Ranjit is eating banana cheerfully.
Students train to gain confidence and display verbal and linguistic intelligence with proper articulation.
Passion for limitless learning and continuous holistic growth for one and all is at the DNA of Triway.
Did you take my chocolates? I'm afraid I didn't take your chocolates. It's me. I ate your chocolate. Sorry, couldn't resist.
Activity aiming the momentum of communication among the students during the lunch hour. They are trying to relate the learning in the real world.
Why they have formed a circle? They are doing lunch hour activity in campus duo. Let us learn something new. Come, let's go.
Good afternoon children.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today we are going to do the lunch hour activity in campus duo. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Children, now you already have the sheet with you, right? You have to find your partner. Okay? You can move around in your circles without making any noise. Move around and find your partner and stand with them. Okay? When you find your partner, you have to say in campus duo. Say once again in campus
Duo.
Once again.
In campus duo.
Come on, quick, find your partner now.
In campus duo. In campus duo. In campus duo.
Okay, now I will be coming to your place one by one. You have to tell your phrase and then you have to tell the sentence. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We need to check into the school before 9 o'clock. I came across my childhood photograph.
The mime movement in the activities help psychomotor skills and instill command over English language.
At Triway, we believe that everyone has an innate unlimited potential to excel, inspire, and lead.
Triway Enablers ensures that English is the sole language used within school campus by the students.
We are preparing our school children to excel in the real world through the power of multisensory learning.
Triway prepares students through its multi-sensory learning and role-play based learning to excel at the real world, not via pressure but through nurturing their innate drive and curiosity.
We partnered with Triway to develop linguistic excellence and critical reasoning among our students through its cutting-edge pedagogy.
There are no bounds to what one can achieve if only there is a will and a positive guidance.